Michelin CrossClimate 2 versus Vredestein Quatrac Pro EV. On one side, the all-season icon. On the other, a bold EV-specific challenger. Is Vredestein ready to dethrone Michelin's all-weather king? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from 2025 Autobuild EV all-season tyre tests. Starting with wet performance, in braking, from 100 km per hour, the CrossClimate 2 stops 2 meters earlier, a 5% advantage. Aquaplaning, the Michelin resisted hydroplaning at 2 km per hour higher speeds, a 2% lead. Wet handling, virtually even. Michelin is the safer bet when the rain pours. Now, onto snow. The CrossClimate 2 stopped 3.3 meters shorter in braking. That's 9% better. It also accelerated 0.7 seconds quicker in traction and clocked a 4% faster lap in snow handling. Michelin leads across all snow metrics, better braking, quicker off the line, and more confidence through corners. In dry conditions, the Michelin again stopped 2 meters earlier, giving it a 5% edge. Dry handling? Practically identical, with the Vredestein finishing 0.5 seconds quicker only. Rolling resistance favors the Michelin 2, using 6% less energy, a win for EV range. But here's where Vredestein fights back. Price. It offers around 30% in savings compared to its rival, making it a serious value play for budget-conscious drivers. In summary, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 is simply outstanding, as it excels in wet, snow, and efficiency. The Vredestein Quatrac Pro EV is cheaper, but for year-round safety, Michelin CrossClimate 2 is still the one to beat.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.